Hello, my dear and lovely student. Welcome to one more discussion on the future and one more lesson in our course. Today, we are concluding our discussion about the differences of will and going to. This discussion will give you a very clear difference about when to use will and when to use going to, as well as solidify your knowledge about these two possibilities for future, okay? Because remember, we can use will and going to talk about the future. So let's take a look. Let's check out the will. Will immediate decisions. My phone rang. I will pick it up. So immediate decision. Offer. So we are offering something that looks heavy. I will help you with it. Okay, so I am offering to help you. Promise. All of this is will, right? Promise. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. I promise. Okay, so I'm making a promise. Will being used for immediate decision, for offers, and for promises. Threat, right? So when I threat somebody or when somebody threats somebody else, this person is doing a commentary about some possible danger, right? So if you don't do this, there will be consequences. This is a threat. When the mother tells to the child, if you don't do your homework, you will not have dessert or you will not play games. That's a sort of threat. If you don't stop, you will face the consequences. That's a threat. And lastly, guys, in the use of will is a refusal. When we refuse something is when we say no to something, right? I don't want this. I will not do it. I will not visit them. I will not see that. It's a refusal. So she won't listen anything I say. So she's refusing to listen to me. And then going to, guys, prior plan, as we have discussed previously, meaning a decision made before the moment of speaking. I am going to travel next year. I am with this plan. I am with this objective. And evidence. They are playing really badly. This is my evidence. They are going to lose. So because they are playing badly, they are going to lose. The evidence is that they are not in their best game. All right, guys, so this concludes our discussion on the differences of will and going to. Now you know very clearly when to use one and when to use the other. Make sure to do the exercises. You will be able to find the links on the description below in order to solidify your knowledge. See you on our next discussion.